You'll be able to find your way, won't you?
Oh, yes.
Will I be seeing you again?
San Francisco's quite a ways from here.
Oh, I'm in San Francisco 5 days a week with a lot of time on my hands. I'd like to see you. And maybe we could go swimming or something. Mother tells me you like to swim.
How does Mother know what I like to do?
I guess she and I read the same gossip columns.
Oh, that, Rome.
I like to swim. We might get along very well.
In case you're interested, I was pushed into that fountain.
Without any clothes on?
With all my clothes on. The newspaper that ran the story happens to be a rival of my father's paper. Anything they said...
Oh, you're just a poor, innocent victim of circumstances, huh?
I'm neither poor nor innocent, but the truth of that particular...
The truth is, you were running around with a pretty wild crowd.
Yes,
who didn't much care for propriety or convention or the opinions of others, and you were just perfectly happy to go right along with it. Isn't that the truth?
Yes, that's the truth, but I was pushed into that fountain, and that's the truth, too.
Sure. Do you really know Annie Hayworth?
No. At least, not until I came up here.
So you didn't go to school together?
No.
And you didn't come up here to see her?
No.
You were lying.
Yes, I was lying.
And did you really write a letter to me, or was that a lie, too?
I wrote the letter.
Well, what did it say?
It said, "Dear Mr. Brenner, I think you need those love words after all. They may help your personality." That's what it said.
But you tore it up.
Yes.
Why?
Because it seemed stupid and foolish.
Like jumping into a fountain in
I
Rome.
told you what happened in Rome.
You expect me to believe that?
I don't give a damn what you believe.
Hey. I'd still like to see you.
Why?
I think it could be fun.
It might have been good enough in Rome last summer, but it's not good enough now.
That is for me.
But not for me.
What do you want?
I thought you knew. I want to live life laughing and beautiful and jumping into fountains naked. Good night.